Heating, the most essential need during the winter, providing the warm and comfortable environment and protecting us against the cold winter. Heating is a basic need for everyone, from our children to our grandparents. Everyone needs the warmth. 89% of population in Netherlands uses the gas radiator running on a natural gas. But due to uncontrolled mining of natural gas, earthquakes in Groningen increased exponentially, causing the Dutch government to discontinue the production of natural gas by 2030. But with the increasing urbanization, we are left with a very uncertain future with no rigid solution, which also creates the scope for innovation. Helios infrared panel is mounted on the ceiling. User's location in the room is constantly tracked by the radio signal tracking device placed in the room. Once the user settles down at one place, tracker sends the user location to the panel. To avoid the distraction, system gives 30-second delay to the rotation, and then panel slowly turns towards the user. Using the infrared waves, it provides the warm and comfortable environment to the user. Manufactured with the highly robust part, Helios contains the rotating mechanism covered between the infrared panel and the mounting plate. With the mechanism connected to bearing and servo motor, Helios can rotate without any noise. And servo motor provides 15-degree rotation on both the axes, covering the maximum area in the room. With a smart rotating mechanism, Helios can heat more than 2.7 times the area compared to an ordinary infrared panel. With a smartphone app or a control panel, the user can control the temperature of Helios. If the user chooses not to install the sensor in the room, they can manually rotate the panel with the help of smartphone app. Helios is suitable to cover the area of 5.5 meter by 5.5 meter and approximate height of 2.75 meter. Additionally, multiple users can set their own preferred temperature on the app, and the panel can heat them accordingly, providing them personalized thermal comfort, making the heating better than ever without any compromise. With fossil fuel generated electricity, Helios can already reduce the CO2 emission by 15%, but with the forecasted green energy, it can bring the exponential change into the world. Helios can be easily customized to suit your home interior with a modular cover. At the end, it is not just a heater, but it is your personalized sun, protecting you from a winter and providing a comfort in a sustainable manner.